Once again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you are fine and good now with your family members everywhere. So, guys, like the latest game application available now, and this application is so much real application and give you also to be earning. So, guys, I asking you something about this game. You will be completely watching my video and don't skip no, and I completely helping to you. So guys, like be registered to be your account, and before you will be registered on your Google account, then you will be starting this game, and this like be same to like applications and best application for earning. Guys, I'm be already download now, and I will be tell to you how to complete to be this application task, because everything so much easily now not to be have any problems. So I will be show you something about this like be game, like be how to you will be completely this game, because many options available now, and I will be click on scratch. Okay, this time no have be any cash, so I will be move back, and I will be click on spin wheel. Okay, if you have, okay, quit, because this time not to be have any coins, but next option lotto. What is the lotto? Okay, they will show you, because I will be show you all of the options how to be earned now on coins like the. So this time I have 3 queen, because I need to be more queen, then I will be more earns now, and we're guessing now also to be I will be clicking now. Just I will be explain you how to be earn now on this game. This is the game you will be checking now. This is the everything so much easily game now, and you will be completely also this task, so you will be earn coins more of, and images puzzles I will be click him now, combats. So if you completely be this task, so then you will be easily also to coins now, and quizzes cards I will be click now, prize plus. They all of the options how to collect these coins easily to be, because this is the nice and good applications for earning, and I show you something about more. Okay guys, if and before you will be clicking here as to be checking out chat room as support and closing the app, you will be go to if you invite your friends, so then you will be more coins gift items. I show you. Listen me guys, this is the applications how to be earn money on this game. So they all of the will give you this coins. Okay, and before you will be checking on these options earns coins. Okay, they all like be another options for your earning. You will be clicking on these options, add gate, everything options available now, and you will be easily to be completely earn screen, and you will be easily this is the everything easily now, not to be just only task complete now, and then you will be earn money. So thank you so much for you watching my video. Like the another options I will show you, I will be forget offer toro I will be show you, because they all of the offers if you complete now, and then you will be earn screen, and you will be completed to be your task. So everything available on this game applications, and you will be earn many more coins.